Salon, I get out with you.
High five. Good boy.
How can I go?
High five. High five. High five.
You got some right here.
Basically the rubber bullet.